Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a rainbow smoothie. First, select a variety of vibrant fruits such as strawberries, blueberries, mango, and spinach to create distinct color layers. Next, prepare each fruit or vegetable blend individually. You'll want to blend them with just enough liquid to achieve a thick, pourable consistency. Finally, carefully layer each color into a tall glass, starting with the densest mixture. To perfect each layer, aim for a thick, almost frozen yogurt-like texture. Use approximately 1/4 cup of liquid, like almond milk or juice, per fruit portion to achieve this. Blend thoroughly until completely smooth, making sure there are no lingering fruit chunks. You can also add a small amount of honey or maple syrup to each layer if you prefer a sweeter taste, ensuring each color is delicious on its own. Creating distinct, vibrant layers is key to a beautiful rainbow smoothie. Always start by pouring the thickest mixture into the bottom of your glass, as this will form a stable base. For subsequent layers, gently spoon or pour the next color on top, being careful not to disturb the layer below. For the best separation and a truly stunning visual, chill each layer in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes before adding the next. Once all your colorful layers are complete, your rainbow smoothie is ready to enjoy. Add a final touch by garnishing it with some fresh fruit, a few berries, or a sprig of mint for an extra pop of color and freshness. Serve it immediately to fully appreciate the beautiful, distinct layers you've created. It's a delightful and healthy treat. For more great deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.